Most people waste their money, but 3 simple moves turn $100 into $10,000 faster, and almost nobody does them. I used to think you needed a huge income to get ahead, but one lesson changed everything. Money grows when every dollar has a job, and these 3 moves give your dollars the highest returns for the lowest effort. Today, I'll break them down in the simplest way possible. No jargon, no confusion, just steps you can do today. These are the same moves used by people who grow money fast, not risky, not complicated, and each one multiplies the others. I'll show you how to grow cash automatically, how to stop losing money silently, how to make investing easier than saving. Let's take Jake. Jake is 24. He makes $19 per hour. He saves nothing. He invests nothing. He's always stressed. He applies these 3 moves. In 12 months, he builds over $4,000. In a few years, it grows into 5 figures, and all he used was $100 to start. Step 1, pay yourself first, automatically. Most people save what's left. Bad idea. Rich people save before spending. Set up an automatic transfer. $25 weekly goes to a separate high-yield savings, hidden from your main account. This builds seed money. No thinking, no stress. Silent expenses are tiny leaks. $12 apps, $18 subscriptions, $3 daily fees. They drain hundreds monthly. Do this. Open your bank app. Tap 90-day history. Cancel everything that doesn't help you make money. Jake cut $146 per month. That's $1,752 a year. Turn your first $100 into an automatic investing machine. Use one simple tool, a low-cost index fund. Not trading, not timing, just automatic investing. Set $25 weekly into S&P 500 or total market. Auto invest. Auto reinvest. $100 starts the account. Then the automation grows it. This is how Jake hit his first $10,000. Money grows when you automate, eliminate leaks, invest every week. It works even with small amounts. It works even if you start today. And it works better than any get-rich hack you see online. If you want simple money content that actually works, subscribe to SmartMoney Engine. I post every day to help you build wealth from scratch.